Hey guys, it's Max. Today we are talking about this. This is the Moment Rugged Sling camera bag, and I am going to talk about everything that I am bringing with me in my camera bag. All of the tech, all of the gadgets, all of the cameras, everything. Everything that I am bringing with me in my camera bag when I'm allowed to travel again. So let's just first take a moment to just talk about this bag. All of the stuff in your bag is protected because of this waterproof material on the front and on the sides and everywhere, and these water-resistant YKK zippers. And this is just an industrial heavy-duty bag, and you don't have to worry about any of your stuff getting wet or getting damaged on the inside, because it protects it from the outside, which is amazing because you're putting a lot of stuff in there and you don't want any of it to get damaged. And so that leads me to everything that I am bringing with me. So inside of the bag are these orange removable dividers, which are great for organizing your things in there, just to make sure that you have everything that you need and it's all organized in a way that you can easily get it on the go. The first thing that I am putting into the bag is this 55 to 210 millimeter zoom lens, and it's a pretty big lens. With a lens hood, it gets even bigger, and so this one is definitely coming in the bag with me, plus a lens cap on it because I like to protect my lenses. So that one just fits right into a pocket really easily, and it's just super easy to use the dividers to divide all of the things that you would need. The next thing, I am leaving a little bit of space for my Sony a6100 and Pancake kit lens just in the middle, so that if I'm not vlogging and I'll actually need to put it away. I don't know when that would happen, but still, it's good to have a place designated for that. The next thing that's going in is my drone setup. So this is a super easy one with a 6-liter bag. To put a Mavic Mini in it, or a smaller drone, not as big a drone because you would have to configure it to be exactly just for that drone, but with this one it easily fits right in the remote controller too. It's a fairly deep bag, which is nice, so you can fit everything that you need into it. I'm also going to bring this battery charger for it, and the batteries are inside of it. Plug them right in, and all of my batteries are dead, but that's the counter. Plus, I'm just going to throw in a few extra propellers, and that is it for the drone side of it. I'll bring these ND filters that I can just tuck right into the front here, and there's a nice little zipper that opens up with a key clip, and you can just throw whatever kind of slim profile stuff you have in there. So I'll just throw 2 ND filters in there, plus an audio cable for the Rode Video Micro. I'll just throw in as well. And looking at the inside, you can fit a whole heck of a lot of stuff in here, and there are so many different hidden zippers and pockets that you can fit into, but there are mostly 3 or 4 places that you can fit your stuff. One of those is these tripod straps right on the bottom. Goes right into there, and you can slip a travel tripod in there. Slim profile, and it just fits right in there, and there's a perfect place to put a tripod in. I'm using my travel tripod right now, so I'll just put a GorillaPod on there. So here, the GorillaPod easily just fits right onto there. Plus there is a Hypalon material, which means that none of your tripod will slip out because the material is not slick, and so it's just able to easily protect your tripod so that it doesn't slip out. You can adjust the length of these little magnetic clips, and then you just snap it right on. Such satisfying magnets. So also, if you feel you need a little bit of extra support because what you're carrying is heavy, bam! Throw the GorillaPod under there, super easy, and it's just super protected by the tripod straps, and it's perfect. So no camera bag would be complete without being able to fit a laptop. This one can't really fit a laptop, but what it can fit is an 11-inch iPad Pro, which I just happen to have. So it's pretty slim and pretty small without the Magic Keyboard case on it. I have the Magic Keyboard case, and it's pretty thick, but thankfully it still fits in there into a spot made perfectly for an 11-inch iPad Pro. just throw it in there. It's done. It's a tight fit, but unfortunately with the iPad Pro, you can't put the Apple Pencil in it too because it just sticks up too high. But the Apple Pencil, we can just throw somewhere else. Not actually throw the Apple Pencil. That wouldn't be good for it. So the next thing I'll bring is just a USB-C power plug for my iPad Pro, and that one is able to slip into one of the pockets really easily. Just right into there. A few dongles, which I can just throw right into this nice little pocket on the upper flap. They just fit perfectly into there, plus an extra E-mount lens rear cap. Keep that protected. And then also I am going to, the final thing, I'm gonna throw a face mask in. And super easily now, the Moment Rugged Sling is packed to the brim with everything you need in it. ND filters, cables, cameras, everything you need. And it also looks pretty stylish, which is a huge plus. So there you go, just a quick What's in My Camera Bag 2020. And this is a pretty stylish and cool bag, and I'm excited to take it wherever next I can go. So thank you very much for watching. Press the like button below if you like this video. Subscribe below if you're not already. Comment below if you have any questions for me, or if you'd just like to make your voice heard. Something we need now more than ever. Hello, this is Max.